Can I ask you something?
Not now, please. I'm busy.
Can I ask you something?
Sure, go ahead.
Are you from here?
No, I'm not from here.
Are you from here?
Yes, I'm from here.
What time does the bus arrive?
Sorry, I have no idea.
What time does the bus arrive?
It arrives in 10 minutes.
Is this a safe place?
No, it's a dangerous place.
Is this a safe place?
Yes, this place is pretty safe.
Can you help me?
I'm sorry, I'm busy right now.
Can you help me?
Of course, how can I help?
Do you speak English?
Not very well.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak it well.
Are you tired?
No, I'm fine.
Are you tired?
Yes, a little bit.
Is there a restroom nearby?
I'm not sure.
Is there a restroom nearby?
Yes, just around the corner.
Is this seat taken?
Yes, someone is sitting here.
Is this seat taken?
No, you can sit here.
Are you ready to go?
Not yet, give me a minute.
Are you ready to go?
Yes, I'm ready.
Do you like this movie?
Not really, it's not my type.
Do you like this movie?
Yes, I really enjoy it.
Is it going to rain today?
I don't think so.
Is it going to rain today?
Yes, it's supposed to rain later.
Is the food spicy?
Yes, it's very spicy.
Is the food spicy?
No, it's not spicy at all.
Is this your first time here?
No, I've been here before.
Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is.
Do you have any pets?
No, I don't have any.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat.
Is the shop open now?
No, it's closed.
Is the shop open now?
Yes, it's open.
Do you want some coffee?
No, thanks.
Do you want some coffee?
Yes, please.
Can I borrow your pen?
Sorry, I need it.
Can I borrow your pen?
Sure, here you go.
Is this your phone?
No, it's not mine.
Is this your phone?
Yes, that's mine.
Do you like music?
Not that much.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love music.
Are you feeling okay?
Not really. I feel sick.
Are you feeling okay?
Yes, I'm feeling good.
Can you drive?
No, I can't drive.
Can you drive?
Yes, I can drive.
Is your house far from here?
Yes, it's quite far.
Is your house far from here?
No, it's nearby.
Do you want to join us?
No, maybe next time.
Do you want to join us?
Yes, that sounds fun.
Are you feeling confident today?
No, I feel a bit nervous.
Are you feeling confident today?
Yes, I feel very confident.
Are you a patient person?
No, I get frustrated easily.
Are you a patient person?
Yes, I'm very patient.
Are you ambitious?
Not so much.
Are you ambitious?
Yes, I have big goals.
Are you curious about space?
Not particularly.
Are you curious about space?
Yes, space fascinates me.
Are you a team player?
No, I prefer working alone.
Are you a team player?
Yes, I like collaborating with others.
Are you an introvert?
No, I'm quite outgoing.
Are you an introvert?
Yes, I prefer quiet and alone time.
Are you an optimist?
No, I'm more of a realist.
Are you an optimist?
Yes, I always look on the bright side.
Are you a morning person?
Not at all. I wake up late.
Are you a morning person?
Yes, I love waking up early.
Have you ever traveled abroad?
No, I've never left the country.
Have you ever traveled abroad?
Yes, I've been to several countries.
Have you seen this movie?
No, not yet.
Have you seen this movie?
Yes, I saw it last week.
Have you finished your homework?
Not yet.
Have you finished your homework?
Yes, I just finished it.
Have you ever tried sushi?
No, I'm afraid to try it.
Have you ever tried sushi?
Yes, I love sushi.
Have you called your mom today?
Not yet. I'll call her later.
Have you called your mom today?
Yes, we talked this morning.
Have you ever been to a concert?
No, I've never had the chance.
Have you ever been to a concert?
Yes, it was amazing.
Have you lost your keys?
I think I might have.
Have you lost your keys?
No, they're right here.